Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to trade stocks with Charles Schwab. First, you'll need to open a brokerage account, which is a straightforward process online. Once your account is set up, you can fund it using various methods like electronic transfers or checks. Charles Schwab offers a robust platform with extensive resources, making it accessible for both new and experienced investors. We'll cover the essential steps to get you started with confidence. To place your first trade, log into your Schwab account and use the search bar to find the stock you're interested in by its ticker symbol. Next, decide on your order type. A market order executes immediately at the current price, while a limit order lets you set a specific price. Finally, enter the quantity of shares you want to trade and review your order before submitting it. Charles Schwab provides powerful tools to enhance your trading experience. You can access in-depth research reports and analyst ratings directly on the platform to inform your decisions. For more advanced traders, Street Smart Edge offers real-time data, customizable charts, and sophisticated analysis features. Don't forget to set up price alerts to stay informed about market changes and news impacting your investments. As you begin trading, consider starting with a smaller investment to familiarize yourself with the platform and market dynamics. Diversifying your portfolio across different asset classes and industries is crucial for managing risk and achieving long-term growth. Remember to continuously educate yourself about market trends and investment strategies. Also, be sure to check the description below for a link to the Echo Dot smart speaker and other great deals.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.